Hi, my friends. So today's story is Eating the Alphabet by Lois Ehlert. All right, my friends, can you tell me what you guys see in the cover? What kind of fruits and vegetables do you guys see? I see a watermelon. What else? Oh, look, I see a strawberry and blueberries and a pear and look, piece of a pineapple also. So my friends, we're gonna read Eating the Alphabet. So we're gonna see what fruits and vegetables start with the letters of the alphabet. All right, you guys ready? Okay, let's start. Ooh, our first letter is the letter A. Good job. So now let's see what fruits and vegetable begins with the letter A. I have, what's this? This is our favorite. It's red. It comes in yellow and green. It's a apple. Good job. I have a avocado, artichoke, asparagus, and apricot. Good job. All right, what comes after A? Letter B. Good job. Now, what fruits and vegetable begins with the letter B? We have blueberry, Brussels sprouts, beets, beans. My favorite, broccoli. Oh, and what fruit is this? Banana. Good job. All these fruits and vegetables begin with the letter B. Good job. All right, after B, we have letter C. Good job. So I have cucumber, celery. These are corn. What are these over here? It's called currant, cabbage, cauliflower, cherries, and what are these? What fruits? What vegetables are these? These are carrots. Good job, carrots. So all these fruits and vegetables begins with a letter C. Now after C, we have letter D, right? So for D, we have dates. After D is a letter E. Good job, letter E. And for E, we have endives. I learned something new, endives. And after letter E, we have letter F. Good job. Now for letter F, we have eggplant and we have fig. Good job. Now after F, we have letter. Good job. Letter G. Now for G, we have gooseberry and we have grapefruit. And after letter G, we have letter H. Good job. Now for letter H, we have huckleberry. Good. Oops, I missed one for letter G. Grapes. And for letter H, we have huckleberry. Now after letter H, we have letter I. Good job. Now for letter I, we have Indian corn. And after I, we have letter J. For J, we have jalapenos. Spicy jalapeno. And we have jicama. Now after letter J, we have letter K. Now for letter K, we have kumquat, kiwis, and kohlrabi. All right, after letter K, we have letter L. Letter L. Now for letter L, we have a lot more things. For letter L, we have leek. These are the leek. Lemon, sour lemon. We have lettuce, right, when we eat salads. And we have lime. Right? All right, after letter L, we have letter M. Good job, letter M. Now for letter M, we have melon. Ooh, this is my favorite. Mangoes. Mangoes and melon begin with the letter M. Now for the letter N, we have nectarine. Delicious. And after letter N, we have letter O. Now for letter O, we have okra, onions, and what are these? They're orange. That's your cue. They're oranges. Good. Now after letter O, we have letter P. Ooh, P has a lot more fruits. So for letter P, we have peach, pear. You know what fruit this is? Pineapple. Good. This is my favorite fruit. Papayas. We have plums, pomegranate, and we have persimmon. I've never heard of that one before. I learned something new. Persimmon. Now after letter P, we have letter. Let's see what letter after comes. Oh, we're still in P. Oh my goodness. P has a lot of vegetables over here. So for P, we have potatoes, peas. We have parsnip. We have what vegetable is this? We see them mostly in Halloween and in the fall. Pumpkins. Good job. And we have peppers. Now let's see if we can find the other letter. Yes, we did. After P is letter Q. Now for letter Q, we have quince, right? Now after Q is letter R. Good. So for R, we have raspberries, radishes, and rutabaga. Interesting. Rutabaga. And let's see what else. We have radicho and rhubarb. I learned something new too, my friends. Now after letter R, we have letter S. Letter S. Now, so let's see what begins with letter S. We have Swiss chard, spinach, star fruit. I like this fruit. They're strawberries. Good. Now, after letter S, we have letter T. Now, for T, we have turnip. We have tangerine. And what vegetable is this? We saw this yesterday. It's the tomato. Good job. Tomato. So after letter T, we have letter U, right? So for letter U, we have ugly fruit, right? So after letter U, we have letter V. So for letter V, we have vegetable marrow. And after letter V, we have letter W. Now for the letter W, we have watercress and we have watermelon. Good job, watermelon. Now after letter W, we have the letter X. Now for letter X is zigua. For letter Y, we have yams. And for the letter Z, we have zucchini. All right, my friends, good job. You guys helped me see what are the fruits and vegetables that begin with the letters of the alphabet. All right, friends, I hope you have a good day, okay?